You'll notice that this scanner build, whoa. Moving right along.
That must be why we're not shipping Windows 98 yet.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And the game award goes to, oh man, I have to pay a microtransaction to unlock. That's so stupid that this has to, hold on, I got this, guys. Here we go. You know it's true. It's really stupid.
It's the exception rather than the rule. And I'm also happy to very publicly point out that NVIDIA has been one of the worst trouble spots we've had with hardware manufacturers. And that is really sad because NVIDIA tries to sell chips, a lot of chips, into the Android market. And NVIDIA has been the single worst company we've ever dealt with. So NVIDIA, fuck you.
Hello, I'm Bill Gates, Chairman of Microsoft. In this video, you're going to see the future, Windows. Microsoft first came up with the Windows concept back in 1983. And today, the leading software users have switched into the Windows environment. It's really incredible how quickly our powerful applications like Word and Excel and PowerPoint have been adopted. It's not just Microsoft applications. Even companies like WordPerfect and Lotus have now come out with Windows applications. And every week we see new innovative work. It's really attracting all the innovation in the industry. We predicted this a long time ago, and now it's the future. Let's take a look.
I have 4 words for you. I love this company. Yes!
Developers, 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 developers. Developers, 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 developers. Yes!
You've discovered a bunch of virtual machines, and we can go look at all those virtual machines and what they are. Maybe. You know, I always love it when demos break. Yeah, I know, I forgot. So, why are we talking here? I'm going to go install Chrome.
camera's not turning on. What's that? I did slide it and let go. It's not turning on. Here. Okay. We'll let an expert see if he can turn it on.
Mr. Zuckerberg, would you be comfortable sharing with us the name of the hotel you stayed in last night?
No.
If you've messaged anybody this week, would you share with us the names of the people you've messaged?
Senator, no, I would probably not choose to do that publicly here.
I think that may be what this is all about.
Let's plug it in. It's going to say, hey, I see you plugged in a new device. And it's going to load in the appropriate drivers. You'll notice that this scanner build, whoa. Moving right along.
That must be why we're not shipping Windows 98 yet.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And the game award goes to, oh man, I have to pay a microtransaction to unlock. That's so stupid that this has to, hold on, I got this, guys. Here we go. You know it's true. It's really stupid.
It's the exception rather than the rule. And I'm also happy to very publicly point out that NVIDIA has been one of the worst trouble spot we've had with hardware manufacturers. And that is really sad because NVIDIA tries to sell chips, a lot of chips, into the Android market. And NVIDIA has been the single worst company we've ever dealt with. So NVIDIA, fuck you.
Hello, I'm Bill Gates, Chairman of Microsoft. In this video, you're going to see the future, Windows. Microsoft first came up with the Windows concept back in 1983. And today, the leading software users have switched into the Windows environment. It's really incredible how quickly our powerful applications like Word and Excel and PowerPoint have been adopted. It's not just Microsoft applications. Even companies like WordPerfect and Lotus have now come out with Windows applications. And every week we see new innovative work. It's really attracting all the innovation in the industry. We predicted this a long time ago, and now it's the future. Let's take a look.
I got 4 words for you. I love this company. Yes!
Developers, 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 developers. Developers, 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 developers. Yes!
You've discovered a bunch of virtual machines, and we can go look at all those virtual machines and what they are. Maybe. You know, I always love it when demos break. Yeah, I know, I know, I forgot. So, why are we talking here? I'm going to go install Chrome.
My camera's not turning on. What's that? I did slide it and let go. It's not turning on. Here. Okay. We'll let an expert see if he can turn it on.
Mr. Zuckerberg, would you be comfortable sharing with us the name of the hotel you stayed in last night?
No.
If you've messaged anybody this week, would you share with us the names of the people you've messaged?
Senator, no, I would probably not choose to do that publicly here.
I think that may be what this is all about.
Let's plug it in. It's going to say, hey, I see you plugged in a new device. And it's going to load in the appropriate drivers. You'll notice that this scanner build, whoa. Moving right along.
That must be why we're not shipping Windows 98 yet.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And the game award goes to, oh man, I have to pay a microtransaction to unlock. That's so stupid that this has to, hold on, I got this, guys. Here we go. You know it's true. It's really stupid.
It's the exception rather than the rule. And I'm also happy to very publicly point out that NVIDIA has been one of the worst trouble spots we've had with hardware manufacturers. And that is really sad because NVIDIA tries to sell chips, a lot of chips, into the Android market. And NVIDIA has been the single worst company we've ever dealt with. So NVIDIA, fuck you.
Hello, I'm Bill Gates, Chairman of Microsoft. In this video, you're going to see the future, Windows. Microsoft first came up with the Windows concept back in 1983. And today, the leading software users have switched into the Windows environment. It's really incredible how quickly our powerful applications like Word and Excel and PowerPoint have been adopted. It's not just Microsoft applications. Even companies like WordPerfect and Lotus have now come out with Windows applications. And every week we see new innovative work. It's really attracting all the innovation in the industry. We predicted this a long time ago, and now it's the future. Let's take a look.
I have 4 words for you. I love this company. Yes!
Developers, 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 developers. Developers, 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 developers. Yes!
You've discovered a bunch of virtual machines, and we can go look at all those virtual machines and what they are. Maybe. You know, I always love it when demos break. Yeah, I know, I know, I forgot. So, why are we talking here? I'm going to go install Chrome.
My camera's not turning on. What's that? I did slide it and let go. It's not turning on. Here. Okay. We'll let an expert see if he can turn it on.
Hello everyone. Yeah, let me check my looks like Twitch gave us all possible resolutions here. Nice. So why there's no music here? Can't say too long, but glad I got you a bit of your stream. Welcome, Alice, welcome. I am just checking that everything is okay. The sound seems okay. Yeah, the music seems okay also. Maybe a little bit too loud. And yeah, everything seems fine right now. That's nice. So, is it written in the title? Happy Thanksgiving to all people. Not too many people right now in the chat, but yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's create a first clash of the night. I mean, yeah, let's start. I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. Firas is also online, let's invite him. Not blink, Alice, not blink. !link only, not blink. Myself. Like, I will try to put every possible commands to post the same of the !link. Firas already joined, that's nice. Did you paste the link here? No, you can type exclamation mark link to get to the chat. To get the current clash link. I created the command, so every time when I update that command, it will paste to the chat the current clash link. No, not exclamation mark link. Exclamation mark link. Yeah, finally. Alice not even online. Maybe he will just close the command itself. Oh, Alice also joined. That's nice. So let's not wait too much, people. So let's launch the clash, the first clash of tonight. Oops, someone left. That's okay. You can join after the. Okay, you will do the next. Okay, one housing. Is this some kind of related, some kind of one housing issue? What is one housing? Oh, I think I understand. This one works. No, it won't. Yeah, I mean too early, not exactly. I am 100% clueless either. I thought this was the case, but it fails for the rest of them, only as first two. Maybe the it's a vampire numbers. I never heard that. So they are the half of the number length, some of the... No, not some of the product of the half of the number length itself, I mean. As factors composed entirely of the digits, the original number. Okay, we can see the factors use exact digits of the original number. So that means the both of them should be... though there is a rule that for the products of the 21 and 60 also should be the same number of digits. Ah, okay. So maybe the brute force approach work here. For example, only take the half of the length and starting with the power of 10 and decreasing if it is number itself, works like that. Maybe it might be work. For example, var length is string length and upper bound mat power 10 length divided by 2 and var lower bound in mat power and -1 length divided by 2 -1. Yeah. And then while upper bounds equals lower bounds if the mod per bound is 0, that means I have to write so the smallest one is always the first one. Yeah, looks like smallest is always the first one. So math mean will be divided by upper bounds. Let me copy this one. And upper bound itself, and the other ones should be the maximum of the number itself. So the maximum here. So after that, I should return also here if every iteration upper bound minus minus, and if I goes here console.write line, let's see, is this works? I mean, looks okay, but let me play all test cases. What? Is this one divisible by 90? Yes, it... Oh, that's not the case here. Maybe the closest one. Ajuxi selamlar, hoş geldin. Oh, the vampire numbers is always the closest ones? Oh, I thought... But this works also. It's going well, thank you. Pins, hello, welcome. Pins, why don't you have my VIP emoji here? Pins, yeah, you have now one of the VIP users. There's the pink diamond, as you can see, before your nickname. I get snacks? No, not exactly. Maybe a turkey for today's main food here. So that means that's not the case. I mean, this is not the only. Oh, that might not. Yeah, of course, that might have more than one vampire numbers. These should be also equal. Oh. Maybe I should check as this. Oh, digits are also contained here. Maybe not a string. contains vmod. Maybe I can write like that. Vmod. Oh my goodness. Rebound string and no, this is not the v divided by upper bound and the upper bound itself. This should work maybe. Let me submit it. Only last second, but yeah, my current code. Oops, 0%. But wait a second, why this one is so... The only ones here... It also contains as a string, and this one also contains as a string. Not the perfectly, of course, it contains all the strings, not all the digits for that. Yeah, that's not the case here. Okay, let's check Alice's code, for example. So this is the same calculation for myself also, and find b n divided by x n module x is 0 and the first one, and first one and second one character sortings are equal. Oh. Yeah, that's nice. These are vampire numbers, huh? I never heard that before, actually. Embedded checking that the concatenation of the factors is an anagram of the original numbers. Exactly, yeah. Yeah, my contains solution wouldn't work for that case. It's not logical like that. Vampire isn't this Zappa? I mean, maybe. Okay. Let's launch a new one. I mean, I forget what, but anyway. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. Hello, programmer, welcome. Oh yeah, you are right. Alice is right. Pins, we came across your base what question last night. and I couldn't solve this one. I couldn't solve it as you imagine. Yeah, Alice Alice writing white space interpreter in Ruby. Yeah, it was Ruby. Yeah, in Ruby, Alice solved your base what question as an implemented with Ruby interpreter. Yeah, I did get a couple of downs, but not completely. Yeah, I mean, it's really good one, exactly as Alice said. Okay, we are now 5 players. Let's launch the clash. A highly composite number is a number that has more divisors than any other number less than it. Given a number n, print the biggest highly composite number less than or equal to n and the number of divisors it has. N5 print 4, 3. 5 divisor, blah blah blah, blah blah blah, 3, 5. Therefore, 4 is the biggest highly composite number less than 5. Okay. That seems easy. Maybe we should rest. Is 0. E less than that n equal and mod E is 0, otherwise count. So in here maybe I should create some dictionary here for every number and the counts of its divisors. I don't know if there is an easy way to do it, but I'm probably sure there should be an easy way. And also line var kiwi is dictionary var kiwi is kiwi but value is equal to dictionary values maximum value. This is the key value pair, right? Yeah, that's the key value pair, and maybe writing in a string interpolation the number itself kiwi.key and the number value kiwi.value. Let's play all test cases. Wow, it works on the first time. That's nice. Ever tongue up, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Wow, oh my goodness. Wow. I got inspired after watching CS50 and also by White Space, your talks with games. So are your streams available after the fact? I am trying to browse here your profile on Twitch but can't quite figure it out. What do you mean by available after the fact? I mean, you need to watch after the stream? I couldn't understand it actually. Some people stream and then the videos are watchable. Yeah, of course. There's a in non-live version. Yes, there's a videos part in my profile, twitch.tv/sonergonul. There's a videos part. After the streams end, you can watch them. For example, if you go the same link, for example, let's check it, twitch.tv/sonergonul here. You can still watch all the past videos in until 14 days, because for myself it's only for maybe this kind of videos or something. Yeah, /videos. In my clash was yesterday, you said correct. Yesterday, yes, it should be yesterday. Or previous day. I don't know, I am streaming too much for this week actually. Yes, if I remember correctly, it was yesterday. Yeah, it's not opening right now, but yeah, there's a videos part here, for example. You can see all the streams. And you can twitch.tv/sonergonul/videos. You can watch all the previous streams until the last 14 days. Okay, it's a fun question. I think difficulties, perfect statements, and test case relevancy are ideal. So, Alice, did you AFK for the 4 minutes and 30 seconds? Why did you take? You probably AFK for the 4 minutes, right? Or you just solve this one in 44 seconds and wait 4 minutes to submit it. I forgot to do unique factor, so none was throwing me off. Oh, okay. Okay, I think Hints just submitted to check the video of yesterday. Mega, hello, welcome. I do like watching folks solve my puzzles, yeah. I mean, we have solved your probably how many times? 2 times actually. The first one is the color of the chess square, given the number and the letter. That was first. Which was the second? I think, if I remember correctly, there was another question, which is one of your contributions. I don't remember which one exactly, but Algebra solved this one actually. Okay, that's nice. Oh, 11 accepted Clash of Code puzzles. That's too many. But yeah, I definitely remember that we solved your chess square color. But I don't remember the other one. You had the Vim. Oh, you are right. Yeah, Vim one. Yeah, exactly. I mean, it was quite hard for me, of course. So it was a very nice question, but it was quite hard for me. Here he comes. When okay, everybody write can write. Since we disabled all the bots here, you can write contributions as well. Sahil, welcome. Okay, that seems nice. Only 1.5 minutes left. What was the question actually? Ah, yeah. I think Sahil can solve this one in 1 minute probably. Come on, man, you can do it. Pro, welcome. Oh, come on, man. I mean, maybe you probably can do it, but yeah, we believed in you also, Sahil. Shame on you. Amiga tried to solve it in Ruby also. Prime division, I think it doesn't have to be prime. If I remember correctly the question, it doesn't have to be prime. It's just a division, I think. For example, this is my solution. I just create a method that return the all divisor counts. Yeah, it was the all factors. Oh, run out of time, obviously. I mean, I just created a divisor counts method like that. Then for starting 1 to n, I add all the numbers and their divisor counts to dictionary, which is the key value pair, and get the maximum value, which is has the maximum value as a value for the key value pair here, and write it their key and value in a string interpolation. I mean, this is the first things that comes to my mind, and it passed all the test cases. Just generate a divisor count for all numbers up to 7,000. Yeah, Alice do that sometimes. Why are you streaming English, sir? Because I switched to stream in English because the when I stream English and more people come and join my stream, and that's why I give up to streaming in Turkish. Not 100% give up, but I sometimes do also in Turkish as well. But when I do in English, I try to practice in English also, and I try to create some communication, more healthy communication with the viewers also. Dreaded Basket, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Abdullah Erdoğan, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. 8 factors, let's take to each of second element in array and then multiply with them by reduce. Yeah. Okay, that's nice. Let's start a new clash. Let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and updated my comment. So Sahil, you write too early. Please write it again. I think it should be end with 6155. Or I just couldn't update it properly. Let me check. Yeah, 6155. Yeah, I updated it properly. Programmer, don't spam on the chat while writing number of dots here. Oh, use me now. Welcome, first time to see you, I think. Mr. Ben, welcome, first time to see you. The Mr. Ben, thanks for follow also. Wow, we have now 27 viewers. That's nice. So with 9 players, so let's launch the clash. Help women keep weirdos out of their DMs. Take a list of numbers on a woman's phone and compare them to numbers that are connecting. Oh, I remember this one. Yeah, I remember this one. The first line contains number of that are registered on the woman's phone. The next list contains numbers connecting the woman. Number of phone numbers to take in. Formatted numbers on woman's phone. These are the formatted numbers. Okay. And so the you know this 4, which is not here, which is also. Wait a second, Bob. If instead of numbers there is a name, the missed contact is already on your phone. Okay. So, maybe. This probably have the same be my last one. Thanks for Sonar. Happy Thanksgiving everyone. Thank you Alice, thank you so much. So if, for example, in here, if check all are this letter, right line. You know this weirdo stalker, I should write here. If not, else if my list contains digit. I'll write this one also. In else here, I should write this one. Here though. Yeah, this one should work. Let's play all test cases. Oops, it failed last case, test case 3. This is the first one. Wait a second, third one. Weirdos Stalker, third one. Oh, there is a space that they contain, no, I might contain also space. Maybe like any is digit. Yeah, this will be better, I think. No. All maybe. This letter. Yeah, well, this will be better, I think. No? Is digit should I write, not letter. That is nice, so I can submit it. Whoa, everybody solved this one. Oh, that's nice. I am the 7th person. And it's fun. Difficulties, perfect, statement and test case relevancy are ideal, I would say. You can check if check 0 is a char only. That might be, but for the I have to I need to be sure for the all the validations are like that also. I mean, it might be the character, start with character, but the rest of it maybe might contain the this weirdo numbers also. I mean, not only for the test cases, but maybe it might contain all the validation cases also. I mean, I can't remember honestly. If there is a sentence in the question also that maybe only the name or the some number formatted. Maybe I just overthinked in that case. Who knows? Okay, Alice also on this one. Yeah. Sahil, programmer, algebra, mega, use me now. Mr. Ben, 80%. You missed the case, probably. Oh, the name case is wrong. Oh, yeah. Yeah, right. Okay, only Rohit left. Yeah, he's doing it C, I know. He really likes C to solve this kind of problems. Yeah, a lot of work. I agree. I totally agree. Masochism, yeah. It's kind of hurting yourself. I almost drawn, by the way. Craigasm. Wow, we are now 29 people. That's nice. Welcome all. Is alpha returns true if every element is a letter, but a space is not a letter, so the case with name plus surname gives the wrong answer. Oh yeah. I would have time for one more if Rohit weren't over there were having to implement his own hash table. Are there anyone? Yeah, people don't use too much C in Clash of Codes actually. Usually Ruby, Python, JavaScript, and other things also. Come on, Rohit, we believe in you. I mean, I think you can solve this one. How many minutes we have left? We have 2 minutes left. I remember this, we might have solved this one before actually. Does anyone in the chat remember this question? I mean, I really remember this one. But I'm not sure. I mean, maybe I can solve it for only when I try to solve for myself alone, but only one minute left. Come on, Rohit, you can do this. I already solved this one in reverse mode. Oh, in reverse mode? I'm not sure. I remember the explanation itself actually. Maybe, I mean, I don't know honestly. Only last 30 seconds to it. We are giving him unnecessary pressure, but six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the clash is completed. $15 is not enough for the most problems, maybe for me only. Maybe some of the programming languages, yeah, might not enough, but most of them I think it's enough for the 15 minutes. So we are waiting for the I mean, come on, Roy, you didn't even select the language itself. We just waited for nothing. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, we are not waiting for you anymore, Rohit. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. And I just copied the link and updated my command, so you can type !link to the chat to get the current link. Oops, Firas is here, let's invite him, hemen. Very nice lineup, thank you. Okay, we are now 12 people, that's nice. Let's launch the clash. We waited for two minutes. You have to write a simple programming language that... Oh, come on. That does the following. Write hello world, or please write hello world. A loop of writing 5 times write I am done, or write I am done 5 times. If there is no x times, do the instructions once only. Note: for the write function, you have to add a dot to understand that the instruction is done. A mandatory. There is an error, return syntax error. Here are some examples. Write hello world, write hello world, syntax error, why? Oh, it has to be, yeah, it's like Simon Says, exactly. 3 times write hello, price, new line, hello, hello, hello. Write hello 2 times, hello, hello, please. 1 times write hi, hi, good luck. So, so all the test cases, only 1 line, maybe. Yeah, it's only 1 line, all test cases. So, first of all, if every command line should end with dots here. Oh, this is also valid here. Maybe not ends with. Things will be better than. This one is a little easier than the one Simon Says problem. Yeah, I mean, it looks like it. Yeah. Starting. plus 5 until right here. Yeah, this is the same calculation, exactly. Starting with this one is an index, and the length of 1 minute length, command index of dot minus this one plus 1. Yeah, probably this is the same as the writing here. Okay, let's play all test cases. Oops. Is this too much? Yeah, let's play all test case. I just calculated wrong here. So, starting with that index and next of this one. Now I should write minus here. Whoa, Puxwell! Thank you so much for the subscription, man. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Wow, thank you. This is not fun flash. Why this one does not write anything for me, at least? So this is the, so this, oh my, because I don't use any console.write line here. I'm completely idiot. I just calculated this one, but I didn't even write the console. An idiot. So let's play all test cases. Aha. I just okay, starting with then, oh, then the plus 6 it should be, because it takes the white space also. And yeah, maybe let's try this one. It hurts me to watch Sonar do this with individual string slicing. Yeah, I mean, wait a second, right, when you index in right here, so it starts here, and how many takes I should, no, it should be this one. Okay, this one should work, I think. No, I still get the, not the, so maybe not just +1. Oops. And I have also, that is +6 here. Whew. Finally. Was really, yeah, but I try to get to, I can only use the regex here for the, to get the number itself, but I don't know too much regex, honestly. Amazing, the validation didn't catch me. You also did monkey hard coding. Let's check your code. Yeah, I did the same thing actually. Yeah, it just goes up until the green came up. Exactly. That was my solution also. Okay, let's at least check Alice's code. So M is the between right and dots here. So this is the D is the, okay, D is the get the digits also. Okay, if M say to integer times puts M, else put syntax error. Oh, this is a regex, right? Right, and there's a white space also. Group of any character and ends with dot. In JavaScript, to capture one group, use regex exec string. I tried to read the command in order, that was a mistake. Oh, okay. This seems really nice actually. Okay, the question itself, I mean, quite fun actually, difficult, and test case and statements are ideal. Okay, Alice, Azmino, Mega, Andre, Algebra, Pins, myself, and Sahil also 80%, maybe. We'll check one of the probably which one you missed actually. This one gets until the end here. Maybe some of the validations couldn't pass. Programmer also, Firas 60% and Mr. Ben also 40%. That's nice. Yeah, that means start and dollar means end, exactly. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. And I just copied the link and updated my command so you can type !link to get the current link. Cyberfall, welcome. First time to see you, I think. So we are now 13 people. That's nice. 14 players. Okay, 2 minutes passed. Let's launch the clash. You have to output the multiples of a given number between two boundaries. Oh. Oh, I misunderstand the question. That's not the case here. Oops. Oh, that's tricky. That's tricky. Let's play all test cases again. This should work, I think. That is perfect, so I can submit it. Whew. Play a test case in the middle, green light, submit, yeah. It happens, it happens. Yeah, it's a fun question actually, it's kind of tricky. Difficulty is kind of easy, statements and test case relevancy are ideal. Okay, Alice, Mega, Firas, Andrea, Mars, me, myself. Sahil also solved this one. Pins, what is the pins approach here? Yeah, pins doesn't take the other ones also. We always assume that the first one is bigger than the second one is lower. Cyberfall and Algebra also probably couldn't take the maximum and minimum. The bound one should be always lower and the bound 2 should be always upper. Not upper, bigger. I took the wrong approach. I thought that it's bound multiple by factor. Bound is plus equal while bound is... You didn't share your code, so... Oh, okay. Your calculation of the for loop has a problem, if I remember, if I understand it. Okay, there's only 4 player right now. Still clashing. And Rohit, you are some kind of marked in my head. We don't wait for you anymore, I mean. You are the bad boy because we waited for you nothing. Oops. Okay, who is the... Someone is also... Mr. Ben is 83%. Maybe... But that's not the case here. I mean, you just need to... numbers between bound 1 and bound 2 that is divisible by factor itself. You only just need to do actually. I mean, for example, these are not needed. You just need to maybe check the if it is divisible by factor or not. As usual, I try to solve the problem opposite way of everyone. No, I mean the usage of these are the correct ones, of course, but you just need to check the between these bound 1 and bound 2, and of course that depends on which one is the upper bound, which one is the lower bound. You just need to find the numbers that are divisible by factor itself. 5 minutes left right now. This is the approach I used as well, but I didn't swap the bounds. Yeah, exactly. Okay, who sold this one? Somebody. Who was it? I just missed it probably. And Alex Sam. Oh, Alex Sam sold this one. Okay, we only Rohit and Azmi now waiting for. It's 3 minutes left right now, and I just already voted this one. Difficult one is kind of Difficulty is easy, test case and statements are ideal. Thank you, Mr. Ben. Hey, good evening also. Thank you so much. Yeah, fun part for me, factor is absolute factor, exactly. I mean, it won't be needed, I think. Since it is the also, if it is divisible by factor, it is the divisible by the minus factor also. No, not the minus, negative factor also. So, okay, Rohit solved this one in C. That's nice. And Azmi also solved this one in Python. That's great. So, where is it? Yeah, that's nice. Let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and update my command so you can type. Programmer, you probably write yeah too early also. I mean, it ends with FF9, the new clash. Yeah, the link in the chat is not correct. Why does Mubus start whispering the link instead sometimes? I mean, I think the Mubut does not have to write. For example, if five person try to type the same command in the chat at the same time, Mubut shouldn't write the 5 times also. Though, so they just if it is checks the chat, if it is already written in the chat, and they just send you as a whisper. Yeah, it prevents redundancy. Okay, we are now 11 player. That's nice. Alice probably left right now. Caillou, welcome. Okay, let's wait for you also. Oh, you are joining as well. We are now 12 players. Let's launch the clash. Find the best investments among the given cryptocurrencies. Start value, end value. So Oh, this should work. Let's play all test cases. Need the minimum one? Oh, okay. Oops, none. Oh, 0. Oh. Okay. So in here. And return. Yeah. Let's play all test cases again. That is nice. So I can submit it. I think we're profitable means, yeah, buy, sell, exactly. And the buying value and the selling value. Actually, you need the minimum value, exactly. No, not minus, not and start and minus start actually. Not the difference between, not because it is you should get the you should calculate the how can you say in English, the rate, yeah, rate actually, buying and selling rate. Yeah, it was an easy question. Statements and test case relevancy are ideal. Hints already solved this one. Sahil, Kayu, Mega, Azminal already solved this one. Programmer 40%. I mean, ratio, yeah, exactly. Also ratio. Oh, you find the difference. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, some kind of, yeah, I mean, maybe it will be better to vote as a more clear explanation. But I mean, mostly, if I remember correctly, mostly profitable points to the ratio, not the difference. Algebra solved this one. Firas also solved this one. That's nice. We only waiting for the Alexeim and Dark Ray. Dark Grey, thanks for the follow, by the way. Welcome to stream also. Okay, you can just submit it if you don't want to wait other people also. You can just submit it. I think Alex M is still clashing. It's level 5. He is level 5. Bum, bum, ba-bum. Okay, we're only waiting for Alex Sam right now. Only 4 minutes left. That isn't. Oh, Alexei couldn't solve this one. Okay. That's okay. I mean, how I solved this one, for example, and I calculate all the ratio and the and put all the crypto name in a dictionary as a key value pair. Key is the crypto name, and double and value is the ratio from and by divided by self. For a maximum ratio, you can I will continue. I get the minimum value of the by divided by self. I will get the minimum value, so I can reach the maximum profit for that and get the first item that will filtering after filtering and get written as a key here. And I also for n here. Maybe somehow this might not be perfectly validated, but in this case it couldn't create any problem. I mean, this is this is actually the first things that comes to my mind, and it passed all the test cases. So yeah. Okay, Pins, Sahil, Kayu, Mega, Azminav, and Algebra, Programmer, Alexei, Rohit, Darkray. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I mean, here my social accounts also. I'm a little bit tired, honestly. I just write my social accounts. You can check my YouTube channel as well. I will solve a lot of lead code problems in there also. And I will also export all the Twitch streams on the YouTube as well. You can check later, and if you watch it again later also. And here are Discord channel also. We have a little bit small Discord channel, but you can join whatever you want. And yeah, I will rate a game developer called Eloise Game Developments. She seems nice, actually. Let's rate for him. Pins, Sahil, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining me tonight, and thank you for all. And if you want to support my channel as well, I mean, subscription, you can always subscribe my channel as well. It means a lot to me, actually. And thank you so much for all, and have a good night. Bye bye.
And like, I do wonder if like people bought more game, like especially back in like March, April, when there were like a lot of lockdowns. But like, if people don't have money, like as much disposable income because they lost their job, like I would imagine that they probably don't spend as much on things like video games when, you know, you can't pay like your bills. So I don't know. I don't think it's